Oh, ang laki. So this is what we're going to be unboxing today. At galing sa kay Raptor. Maraming salamat, Raptor Philippines. Okay, tignan natin kung anong laman. Wala man lang tayong proper tools. Next time, we will be buying proper tools para maayos naman yung pag-unbox natin, di ba? That took forever. Pero we have 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. Unahin na natin tong pinakamalaki. Nice! Cooler. Ayos, saktong-sakto. If we're going to do outdoor activities, may magagamit na tayo. At mas malaki siya. Do you remember my food contents? Diba may maliit tayong cooler? This is our upgrade. Gamitin na natin tong patungan. Alright, for the next one, Angkor Ratchet Tie-Down Strap. Ayos, saktong-sakto kapag nag-aakot tayo ng mga gamit. Bagay na bagay ito kapag marami tayong dala. We can just strap what we got and magiging secure na siya. By the way, on our next videos, isa-isahin ko pa rin naman itong mga products na to. Kasi right now, it's just a quick unboxing. Oh, nice. Hard case. Carry case. Ang galing, no? Saktong-sakto yung mga pinadala sa atin. It's a need on my end. Dito natin ilalagay yung mga gamit natin sa pag-vlog when we are traveling para safe na safe. Like yung mga camera, mga mini drone. I think kasya pa rin dito. Alright, Raptor na hard case. Kaya nang sinabi ko, I'm gonna go in-depth on the product on the next videos. So let's move on to the next one. Rex Insulated Tumbler. Again, ang galing nyo talaga, Raptor Philippines. Hindi naman sa magre-retire na yung luma nating lalagyan ng tubig, pero check this out. Ganda. I'm not so sure kung ilang liters to. By the way, lalagay ko lahat sa comment section tong mga products na to. Alright, again, this is their massive na 64 ounce or 1.8 liters na water container, water jug, water tumbler. By the way, stainless inside. So it says here sa box niya na it can keep your hot drinks hot for 12 hours and your cold drinks cold for 24 hours. Ang laki. Pwede mo na rin maging armas. Alright fam, that concludes our unboxing today. Ipanghaharabas natin sila para makita natin if these products are really worth your money. Hindi pa natin sila nare-review isa-isa. But I'm going to list down all of these products dyan sa comment section.